Hello from Slovenia again. Today is the day for embellishing one of my pours that I'm not necessarily happy with it. I just don't like this part. I already tried some things but didn't work. It's beautiful otherwise, but just this part bothers me and I want to have a tree or something here. Not something, tree. And I will use just black, gold and white. And when I do my trees, I kind of like to do an S shape first and then go from there. And then play with some highlights. I will use, I don't know the names of those brushes. This is round, this is the soft one for kind of leaves, and I have some little ones. If I will use them, I will. So I will just start with the black. I will load this brush and I will so I want to cover this, so I will go like that. So this will be my focal point. It's a little smaller. While the paint is still wet. Can always go back with more black and white. Okay, and now I will grab this one, maybe the bigger one. Do I have a smaller one? Yeah, I have. So I will dab this into the black. Like that. Okay. And now I will go with some gold. You really don't want a lot of paint on the brush for this part. I'm not an expert for this, I'm just learning and going with the flow. Some highlights. Okie doke. I think that I definitely save it. Just want to figure out if I can show that shimmer of that gold, but no, I can't. Maybe here from the pour. It was from my life. I will put the creation video of the pour after this. What do you think about it? Do you want me to maybe talk a little more about how to do those simple trees, or how I do them, what I think when I do them? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!